Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2021 Tesla Model S and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just your regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep the headlight, all we need to do is just apply Slip Solution to the lens, and then with a clean microfiber towel, just start removing any contaminants that the headlight might have. Okay, so to start the installation, apply Slip Solution to the headlight and Slip Solution onto your tint film. And with this one, just place it and align it first up to the edge here of the headlight. Once you have it aligned right to the edge here, lift the film, apply Tack Solution underneath and then on top of the film. Make sure everything is still aligned. Hold it in position and start tacking it down. You could do a light press first in order to help the film tack down better. That way it stays in position, and once we see that it's not moving, now we can go ahead and start putting more pressure onto the squeegee to tack this section down. For this one, you're only going to do a light stretch to meet this edge of the film here to the edge of the headlight here. Make sure when you're doing the stretch, everything is aligned. So just double check everywhere. And then once you see everything is good, you can apply Tack Solution on this edge to help the adhesive start activating, and we can start tacking down this section here. And then if you do see any small fingers like these here or any on top, you could apply Tack Solution to remove them, and also adding heat can also help remove the small fingers. So first try Tack Solution, squeegee them down. As you can see, now all the fingers that were here, they became smaller, but just to seal it off, we can apply heat to finish the installation. But before we seal the whole film, we need to make sure we remove any water behind the film. So just go back and squeegee the whole film down. To make sure that you remove all of the solution behind the film, just dry the headlight and then go around and check in and see if there's any water behind the film. If there's not, proceed to do the last step, which is just post-heat the whole film. And post-heating will help the adhesive activate faster on the tint and also help remove any small fingers that are appearing on the lower end or any edge of the headlight. So to post-heat the headlight, just apply Tack Solution again onto the headlight, and with your heat gun and with your squeegee wrapped around the microfiber towel, just go all around and start heating up the film and just bringing down those fingers and then just sealing the whole film. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Tesla Model S. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. It's a pretty simple installation. Just make sure you start from one end, tack it down, stretch it, tack it down, and remove any fingers and all the solution that's behind the film. If you do have any questions in regards to installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.